Good evening, everybody. Welcome to this life-changing opportunity. This is the opportunity that can really change our life. As we know that the world is now changing to IT. Without much preaching, let's go to the business of the day. I want to believe that we have all downloaded the app Trebedit. So let me open my Trebedit, and as you are opening newly, like I have done some works there, but as I open it newly, the place will be empty, but you see a template. Then let's go straight to the business. Did you see the menu at the top, to your right side? Then what will you do? Press the menu. What do you see? You see learning to code, get source code, workspace, and text editor. Then you click on workspace. What do you see? Then I have done some works. Then you want to create folder. The first thing to do is to create folder. Now you see the plus sign. Then click the plus sign at the bottom, the right side, at the bottom of the right side. Then you click. Did you see create new folder, new file, import folder, and import file? What will you do? You create folder. Then that folder you can type batch 5. Then you can type and you can save it with anything. Batch 5. This is batch 5, but the file is empty. As you can see, what will you do? Click on batch 5. Then as you can see, the file is empty. Then that plus sign again, press it. Then you see new folder, you see new file. Press on new file. Then what can we use to say? Okay, let's use introduction. Then after introduction, you now write the extension. When you want to save the file, there should be no space. Like there should be nothing like the introduction of there will be no space at all. Then the extension .html. Then you save. File created. Then what will you do? Introduction.html. Click on that introduction. Then we are here now. This is where our work will be. As I can use introduction.html. Then we have at least we have 2 keyboard, one for the HTML and one for our phone keyboard. Now this is one for the keyboard. Did you see the greater sign and the left sign? We'll be making use of it almost all the time. Greater sign, then the less sign, then the less sign first, then the greater follow. Then if I want to do it now, let's now create our skeleton, our HTML skeleton. Then you see the greater sign, then you type HTML, then followed by the greater sign, then followed by the greater sign, then HTML, then the beauty of it is that immediately you press the greater sign, it will complete it for you. Then what do we have now? We have greater sign HTML, then lesser sign HTML, then greater sign. We also have another lesser sign, then slash HTML, then greater sign. Now that means we have you see this blue now, this blue, I press it. Then we have the opening tag and the closing tag. The opening tag is the first less than HTML and greater than. Then the second one we have less than slash HTML. The difference is the slash. That means we have the opening tag and the closing tag. You can see the opening tag is in 1, while the closing tag is in 3. Now in between now, that's where we will now build our HTML or our code. Now let's start. The first thing we will do now, after we have created opening tag and closing tag of HTML. Then let's that sign again. We type the head, then greater than sign. Immediately we have the opening tag of the head and closing tag of the head. Then put it down again by pressing this like a tab. Then you see the tab. Then what we have again, we now have the title. Less than again, then type the title, then closing greater than again. Then inside the title, can I type what you call anything, intro of HTML. Then intro of HTML. Now we have the in between the opening tag and the closing tag of HTML, we have the head. In between the head, we have the title. Now what do? Let's say first, you see these three dots at the top of our right hand side. At the top of our right hand, just press it. Did you see? Then you see save. Then save. If you play it now, you see that play sign beside it. Press play. Then as you can see, we only have the intro of HTML. We are not reading anything. Then what do here? Can you see it now? Can you see this one? Then what will you do? Just press the tag again. Press the tag. Okay, in between, the head. Now we are finished with the head. Then after the head, press it again. Then we now have the body. Now everything we see in our website, it will now be between the opening tag of the body and the closing tag. Now everything will be seen. For instance, now let me type anything now. Let me paragraph. Our paragraph will be P. That means for paragraph. P for paragraph. In between the closing tag of the paragraph, and I say my web learning web design. Then we save again. Don't forget that we have to save again, then play. What do we have now? We have learning web design.